Venice.
Hope to welcome you back on board soon. Goodbye.
Arrived in Venice. It's a very crisp -1 degrees out, and on the agenda today we're just going to wander around and see how lost we can get. So we got really lucky. We need to stay really quiet because we found some authentic Italian undergarments. Take a look. Get out. No, we won't. We won't see any cars.
When night falls, this is going to look amazing. Super murky. Bye, Luigi.
Pasta for days. All about the pasta.
We've got our coffee, now we're going to hit the streets.
Check it out. The benefit of coming in the winter is there's way less people, so we just had lunch at Al Cafetiere and it was completely empty. We had the whole place to ourselves, which is normally a bad sign, but the food was absolutely incredible and was really delicious. So we're going in the direction of St. Mark's Square. We know it's in that general direction, but there's no direct route, so we'll probably get there eventually.
Bob and weave, Melissa. Melissa! Melissa! For some reason the water seems to have a perfect aqua tone to it. It's nothing like the Thames. And there's a sweet Amazon delivery! Incredible. I'm going to pop a picture in now. So this right here is the Grand Canal in Venice, which is pretty much like the M1.
So we spent about the last 2 hours on the way to Piazza San Marco, and I think that we're getting close. There's some lights now, and some other people walking. I think we're in the right direction, so let's see if we can find it up ahead.
Sweet pumps, bro. Oh wow! God, they're all just getting involved. So I'm here out in Venice. I made some new friends.
You're a sicko. You're sick in the head.
To the water taxi. The first water taxi. Mother, you ready?
Yeah. So we have de-thawed, we went back to the hotel, got a bit warm, and now we just headed out for some more dinner. We found a place called Al Garzoni, and it's right on the canal. So we're going to grab some traditional Venetian food. Check it out.
Don't forget the grilled fish of the day, whatever that's going to be, so we'll have to wait and see.
We've got a boiled variety involved. Hey! No!
Happy birthday
to you.
going to do some island hopping today. So you can get a ticket for 20 euros that is for 24 hours, and it lets you go to as many different islands as you want during that time. So we're really keen to check out Burano and Murano, but we'll see if we want to jump to a few other ones on the way. So let's go grab our tickets and get going. 1, 2.
Come through.
That's how they deliver Amazon in Venice.
Mainland Venice goes straight to Murano, which is where we are now, but we're going to go to Burano first and check that out, and then we'll come back here, so check in later to see this spot. That's lovely.
The city looks crazy right now. I'm going to put a picture here. Peep. That tree looks good.
Literally feels like I'm in like Legoland, like little Lego box houses. All of them are so brightly colored and it's absolutely gorgeous. What do you think of it?
Well, yeah, lovely pink house over there, fantastic. Got lovely plants and window boxes.
And it's sunny and we can't see
Toy
anything.
Town, I suppose, really.
Yeah.
Explaining it.
Naughty goes to Toyland.
All little houses.
Italian
It's
style.
lovely and sunny, beautiful sun.
Wow. We found this bell tower, but at the moment it seems to be slanting, as you could see from Maria a second ago pointing at it. So I'm going to just slot in some drone footage now, so you better check it out.
So we're at Al Campiello del Principe and we're trying our 18 vegetable stew. So we'll see what that compares to the rest.
Get that down the gullet.
Exactly, get it down your neck.
Upon eating calamari, found a baby squidlet.
So we are back on Murano now, on our way back through to the mainland Venice. So Murano is where the glass factory is, so you can check that out, and tons of shops to buy glass souvenirs if that's what you're into. So the sun's setting, we're going to head back to the main port and start making our way back to the mainland.
Oh wow. Sunsets on this part of the planet are just mind-boggling. I'm going to stitch in a picture right now.
Got our dinner space tonight. Very good, they say.
Dinner time.
We're back. It's Aligarzotti round 2. Check it out.
Right, buon appetito, that's for sure.
Happy birthday to you. Alright, so this is the final night in Venice. And I was just getting a few long exposures of the boats going past. I'm going to stitch a couple of pictures in now. Peep game.
day 3. We're just about to check out. We're chilling on our balcony. And basically, again, we're just gonna wander. So it's our last day in Venice today, and David's back out of commission, so I'm on that selfie game, and I'm on a solo mission to try to find the Rialto Bridge. So let's go. It's that way. Well, I think I've been down this way already like 3 times. What's very helpful is as you go, you'll randomly see some signs that'll sort of generally point you in the right direction. Is that you'll see one of the signs and then you won't see another sign for like 15 minutes, so just be aware of that. I found it. Here is the Rialto Bridge, and also this is where all the people are. It's absolute insanity down here. We thought like our area was so chilled, and we're like, why is there no people here? Well, this is why. Everyone seems to be flocking to this spot. It's where all the photographs on all the postcards that you see of Venice are, and it's absolutely gorgeous, so it's understandable why. Some really nice places to eat down here, but of course it comes with a price to have this gorgeous view. So I found the Rialto Bridge. Got lost a bunch of times, and now I'm going to head and find the rest of the gang and grab some lunch. So nice. All the little alleyways will open out to these bigger squares where it really like lets the sun in. You get people playing music. It's gorgeous. Located them. Ciao. Hey!
Chuck an egg on it and you're good. It's either the water taxis, the water bus, or the classic gondola. They're on our cars. Make sure you check out my Instagram because this will be making an appearance very soon. Alright, so we've come across this location and we're just going to get a couple of images. I'm just going to stitch them in now. Check them out, y'all. Come to this location.
Ta-da!
Of Venice. And we're just going to get a couple of pictures.
We're going to stitch them in.
Right now.
So we are just about to leave Venice. It's been quite a short but sweet visit. We were here for 3 days, and it was enough, but I think you could spend weeks here and still not see everything. So we're just about to board our train and we're heading back to Rome. So you can check out the Rome video below if you want to see what we got up to there. Bye!